The family of anti-apartheid activist Ahmed Timol will be allowed to challenge an application to stop the prosecution of former security branch police officer Joao Roderiques.
The 80-year-old faces charges relating to the 1971 murder of Timol. A 1972 inquest ruled his death as suicide, but the ruling was overturned by Pretoria's High Court to murder last year.
Is it a clue?
Joao Roderiques, checkered past as an apartheid security policeman, came back to haunt him. 4 decades later, the Timol family are again in court to challenge Roderiques' application not to be prosecuted.
He's accused of having a hand in his murder, as well as covering up the crime of murder. Lord, we would just wish to highlight that particular point, which we believe supports the interest of the family in participating in the main application.
Timol was pushed to his death from the 10th floor of the former John Foster Square police station. A new 2017 inquest implicated Roderiques in the murder. But his lawyers won the case struck off the roll, insisting he should have been prosecuted decades earlier for the crime.
We cannot be held accountable on the failure on the part of the state to have instituted investigations against Roderiques going back to more than 20 years. And hence, we vehemently oppose it. That it is not the fault of the victims' families that the state failed to lay charges against Roderiques in 2002, when he and all his other colleagues were living. And that is basically the basis of the argument presented by Roderiques' legal team.
The family of another anti-apartheid activist, Hussein Hafaji, who died in police detention, also applied to be included as friends of the court. But this was rejected pending an inquest into their matter. Roderiques' application will be heard on the 28th of January. The Timol family says they will put up a spirited fight to ensure that apartheid-era security policeman faces the full might of the law.